everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, my hair is different and I have a little gap in my shirt. Yeah, I just got some Senegal twists and or Havana twists. I mean, I guess it just depends. Put it up in this little top thing, but honestly I freaking love this hair. It's super soft and the person that put it in is amazing and she charges like very affordably. Love you, Leslie. Trying to do something awkward. That's better. I zoomed you guys in just a little bit more so you don't see my nonsense of a background. Eventually I'll have like an actual background, hopefully. I might like switch around this room like a tad so that... Isn't this cup cute? Look at it. This is always right, like come on. That's me. So let's get into this video. We're going on like a little mini trip on, to visit some of my fiance's family. It's about 3 hours away from where we are, and I just kind of wanted to like glam up, and then I was thinking, well, not glam up, but like still look presentable and not scare his family like this. Alright, so I just kind of glide this through my eyebrows, and I have a spoolie here that I bent. I bent it that way so that I can go through my eyebrows. Just kind of glide lightly. Sometimes people take this product and put it on a spoolie instead of doing this because sometimes it can get a little gloopy, especially if you don't have that many like eyebrow hairs. I finally have eyebrow hairs, so I take the spoolie and I just kind of run through. It doesn't have to be freaking perfect. I mean, you want to be as stable as possible so you don't have to clean up as much, but yeah. I use like a tiny little brush. This one's like really tiny, but I can be more precise. I just take the foundation I'm going to be using that day and I carve them out so that they're a little bit more like put together. And then eventually, like later on after I'm done with everything, like my face, I'll go back in and put a little bit more product. But I like to get like the stencil basically ready and to go. Beverly Hills eye primer looks like this, and I'm gonna put it all over my eyes. I'm gonna do my eye makeup first before I do my face. That kind of shit. I'm using like a flat brush. I just needed to wipe it off a little bit. Dipping into the Jeffree Star palette because this is my favorite one. It's this one right here. Dipping into Cake Mix. I'm just going to lightly use the mirror in this actually. I'm gonna lightly pat. And I'm gonna like kind of do like a half cut crease. I'm gonna attempt to. Please do not clock me when it's horrible. Okay, thanks. Thanks, y'all. And what I just did there when I went like this, it was to get the color where my crease, like where you want to put it. That's a little trick there if you didn't know where to like lay it. Perfect Carnival palette. It's a little dusty. I'm going to use the yellow in here, which is called Keen. And it looks like that. Brush, like a little like angle brush to put the yellow in the corner. I'm gonna put Shuffle next to that. It's like a little bit, it's like a mustard yellow. I'm gonna put it right next to it. Pro palette, which I know you guys see all the fucking time, and you guys are probably like, and you use something else. But he has Afterpay on his shit, so there you go. I'm gonna use the gold color in here. I kind of had to scrape it a little bit so that it really brings the opacity. And I'm going to place this mofo right here. So just because I love even more drama on my eyes, I'm gonna go into it's my Rhain palette, and I'm gonna put some, what is this called? Angel and Moonlight. I'm gonna mix those two together. Okay, and I dab off the excess, and it's like a really white iridescent. It has like pretty reflexes, so like when it hits the light in different spots, it looks amazing. So I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. And since this color on my eyes kind of faded out a little bit, I'm gonna go back into the Carnival palette. I'm gonna get that shuffle color. Tap. Really hack that in there now. And then get a little keen. Get really close to this other color and just go in and make sure everything is really, blended out. Also, wiping your eyeshadow the way you want it, you can put your eyeliner perfectly where that is. Like my line is like right here, and that's where I'm going to put it. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna use my foundation that I've just been using constantly. It's the Matte Poreless primer. I'm gonna spray my face a little bit with this Urban Decay Quick Fix. It's a Hydro Charge Complex Pre-Prepping Primer Spray. It smells really good too. Use some Tatcha. This primer's expensive, but completely worth it. I still have so much left, and I've had this for like a year, I believe. So I like to focus it right here because it's like pore helping and everything like that. Just right there, because I got most of my pores right there. So if you feel like you have like a certain areas like your nose or your forehead that's super pory, you want to like concentrate it there first. Let me try the Milk one actually. I tried it one time, I didn't like it, but I think it was just the foundation I was using. So I'm gonna use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Looks like this, really pretty bottle. There's a lot in here too. I wish it had the ounces on here, unless I'm just a derp. And it's gripping. I'm gonna put like a little bit under my eye. Hydro Grip Primer. Looks like this, really pretty bottle. There's a lot in here too. I wish it had the ounces on here, unless I'm just a derp. I'm gonna do 1-2 pumps. I'm gonna focus that on the outside. So this is hydrating and it's gripping. I'm gonna put like a little bit under my eye. And I learned this from Jackie Ina. She uses a translucent powder on her face in the certain areas that are really like oily and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that with my Laura Mercier. I'm going to lightly dust it in the spots that I need it the most. And I think I'm gonna use, let's see, I'm gonna use like a packing brush. So this is the Morphe M439, looks like this. And I'm just gonna take some of this translucent powder, I'm gonna put it in the spots that I know just need a little extra help. Like in between, like right here. This just helps, I feel like, put the oil. I'm trying this today, so hopefully it doesn't look bad. Looking like a ghost right now. This Maybelline, affordable, love this, has a bunch of freaking colors for people. So the color I'm using, which I think is a little too dark for me, but I'm gonna keep using it because there's not any other shade that I can think of that look good. 332 Golden Caramel. So I need to color correct under my eyes like I always do because I have really creasy, like not really, I have really dark under eyes and I hate how they look. If you use this kind of thing, you better be using full coverage or like medium coverage that you can build so that you can cover this. Concealer that has more of like a red undertone that doesn't match me. 250 by the Fenty Beauty. And then I will get the foundation and cover all this up. And okay, I'm back. I had to touch up a few of the spots, like do my eyeliner a little bit over and then touch up the middle part of my eye. So we're gonna do the rest of the face, which I'm excited about because then we're almost done. I'm gonna use the Butter Bronzer by Physician Formula. Love this shit. And it smells bomb. So I'm gonna take a brush, tap off any excess, and just kind of place it a little bit, like here's my contour right here. But I'm gonna place it a little bit higher to kind of give a better illusion of like a slimmer face. And then I'm just gonna put some on my forehead. And I pulled out this blush by Maybelline Fit Me, and it's a little blush. This is in the color, what's the number? Peach. It's a peach color, which it kind of looks like a peach color, I don't know. Jeffree Star collection. I'm just gonna roll up in here, tap off the excess, and place it right here on my cheeks, but a little bit above. This has a little bit of a shimmer in it, so you don't like that shit, do not get it. Okay, gonna spray my face. Amarazzi. Please don't judge me. Pat, pat, pat. Then you can bring it up. And this is the finished look. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see anything specific, or you can always send me a message on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rhain with an H, R-H-A-I-N .L-A-R-E-E, Rhain Laree, Rhain.Laree. So follow me on there. I love following people back. I love interacting with other people that love makeup and such, excuse me. Anyways, so I hope you guys like this video. I just wanted to kind of be a little bit more informative, but also like just kind of do something. It's still not simple, but it's more simple than like the shit I've been doing. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.